We listened to Great Clips customers and embarked on a journey to simplify the Great Clips brands. Through extensive research, we've crafted Latitude with specialized ingredients and easy-to-use, high-quality products at a comfortable price. Introducing Latitude by Great Clips, where grit and men's solutions unite to bring you a bold evolution in hair care. Dark, masculine packaging provides a strong connection, reflecting the nautical elements inspired by Great Clips' legacy. The bold yet playful packaging is complemented by the iconic Great Clips green. It's distinctive, just like you, packed with premium ingredients like vitamin B, orange extract, hops, and many more. Latitude offers a range of dispensing methods to cater to everyone. Great performance, great price, and always Great Clips quality. Confidently recommend these favorite and new products to customers, friends, and family, and discover the freedom to express your style with Latitude by Great Clips.